Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to invite guests to an event in Google Calendar on your phone. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up this calendar application on your Android phone, and basically then you need to make a new event here. Okay, so I will just make a new event here. I will tap on this plus icon here at the bottom right here and click on event here, and then I will give it a name here. And then if you scroll down, if you want to add or if you want to invite someone to your event here, you will click on this option where it says add people. And now here basically you will just enter the email address of those peoples. Okay, so let's suppose if I wanted to add someone, I will add this person here. Okay, so I will just tap on done here, and when I will just save this event here, it says that send invitation emails to guests. So I will just tap on send here, and then they will basically get an invitation to join this event. So that's how to basically you can invite guests to your event. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.